In the workplace, phone and video calls allow people to share information when they are not in the same office and connect with colleagues in other cities or countries. Because body language is limited or absent, clear and polite language becomes especially important. Short, direct expressions help conversations sound professional and reduce misunderstanding. When answering the phone, it is common to begin with a greeting and your name, such as, "Good morning, this is Yuki from sales." This helps the caller understand who they are speaking to immediately. On video calls, people often check the connection first with phrases like, "Hello, can you hear me?" to ensure communication can proceed smoothly. Clear language is also important when problems occur. If audio is unclear, expressions such as, "Could you say that again, please?" help maintain communication without frustration. When transferring calls or confirming details, phrases like, "One moment, please," or "The meeting is at 3 p.m., correct?" keep information accurate. Using clear call language helps remote conversations remain efficient, professional, and easy to follow, even when technical issues arise.